feel about that?
Massive burp.
How do you feel about that, Journey?
That is so unladylike. Like, wow.
How do you feel about this, Jariah?
That was so nasty. I can't even smell her breath from all the way right here.
Wow! A second burp! Oh God, I can smell it. How do you feel about that? 2.
It was awesome, man.
How do you feel about that, Nate?
The camera on my face.
What do I feel about that?
Nate, I thought you wanted to be a pop star.
Yeah, Nate. This is the first part of being a pop star.
Nate, I thought you wanted to be noticed.
Scene.